today in this question we are asked to identify how many covalent bonds are predicted for each atom. So atoms with 1, 2, 3, or 4 valence electrons form 1, 2, 3, or 4 bonds in neutral molecules. Atoms with 5 or more valence electrons form 8 enough bonds to give an octet. So predicted number of bonds is equals to 8 minus number of valence electrons. For letter A, we have oxygen. Oxygen is a second row element, and in the group 6A, the group number of a second row element reveals its number of valence electrons, which is 6 valence electrons. So number of bonds